Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Welcome to episode 1 of Going Solo Diaries. This is going to be my new series on my YouTube channel where I take you guys along on my journey of being a house owner at 17/18. Yeah, I'll be 17 by the time you guys are seeing this. And yeah, this is just going to be a really exciting way for me to document all of the progress, what goes into being a house owner, and what life is like living alone. Today's video is going to be me giving you guys a house tour of this home. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and yeah, subscribe for more content. All right, let's get into it. Hi guys. Okay, so we're here at my house and right now it's in its drywall phase. I'm gonna be inserting clips of a house that is completely exactly like mine so that it'll give you more of an idea of what it's gonna look like, but we're here right now and yeah, come follow me. So when you walk in, immediately to your right, there is a closet. This is probably gonna be for like coats and stuff. I don't know, just like a storage thing. Then when you keep walking in to your left, this is the mudroom. So there's gonna be a bench, a little place for hooks on the walls to put coats and things like that. I'll probably put my backpack, knowing me. This is the garage. It's a big 2-story garage. I only am gonna be bringing one car, but great place for storage. Maybe if I want a workout room, this will be perfect for that. Then we have the half bath. So this is the bathroom that is going to be for the guests to use. I forgot to say this, but we enter actually on the 3rd floor. This home is 3 stories and you enter in on the 3rd floor and then the rest of the floors you have to walk downstairs. So this is the 3rd floor bathroom. There's no shower, by the way. All right. Then if you go down the hall where the door is, this opens up to the big kitchen, living room, and all that stuff. So right here is gonna be the kitchen. All of the appliances are from Bosch, which is a very high quality brand, and I'm so excited because I've heard so many good things about it. Do we have something that's Bosch?
No, but Miss Rhonda does.
Miss Rhonda, my family friend, has an oven from Bosch and like a microwave.
A
dishwasher, and it is great. So I'm really excited about that. There's a huge kitchen island that is gonna be right here. I will show you guys the video from the other house, but you can totally see like there's lots of space, lots of cabinets, and I do have a gas stove, which I'm really excited about. Then straight down here, this is gonna be like a little nook. Would you say like a kitchen nook?
It's more like a desk area.
Yeah, so there's like a little desk area nook. I think this is perfect because it comes with like 2 big shelves and a set of cabinets, and I'm just gonna put things.
And a desk.
And a desk.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put things like cute decor, plates, my Smeg toaster that I got, probably on these shelves. I'm gonna need to get a chair to put on the desk right here, but that will all come soon. Then we have the pantry. And the pantry is such a nice use of space. But basically, this is all gonna be shelved. And my favorite thing is that this pantry has outlets, which is great because it just hides all the messy things. Like if you have a toaster,
coffee maker,
yeah, you just don't have to see it, so it goes in here. And then this will all be filled with shelves, lots and lots of space. All right, now for the living room. This right here is going to be the living room. This fireplace is going to be all black. It is from head to toe. There's a built-in fireplace inside of the wall, and then right here is going to be where the TV goes. I'm really excited about that. Yeah, there's lots of windows in this house, which is one of the things that I really like about it because I love natural lighting. Natural lighting was a huge factor for me, and this house just has so much of it, especially also because the walls are white. So right here, there's probably gonna be a couch. I mean, it's just gonna be me, so I'm probably gonna get a couch, maybe some chairs, and then a coffee table. And then right here, kind of backing up to this stairwell, is going to be where the dining table is. I'm really excited to go shopping for that because I love eating at the dining table, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. On every level, there is 3 balconies. So I think as it gets lower, the balconies get smaller. So on the 3rd level balcony, it's pretty big, very wide. I don't want to step on this because I think there's like clay, but as y'all can see, this balcony is huge. Now we can go to the 2nd floor. On this floor is the master bedroom, a big closet for space, and the laundry room. Also, there's another balcony. So this is the balcony out here. Like I said, it's smaller than the top one, but lots and lots of room. So what I'm thinking is I want to put maybe a treadmill here or like a Peloton bike or something. I was thinking that I wanted to do like a gym inside of my garage, but knowing how cold Boise is, I just feel like it wouldn't be practical. So I'm gonna maximize the space out here, probably put like yoga mats, make it really cute and stuff. So down here, we have the master bedroom. This is such a big space. I literally cannot believe that this is going to be my room. My favorite thing about this room is not only the view that faces the mountains, but these 3 square-shaped windows. I'm probably gonna need to put curtains on it just because of privacy reasons, but this room is literally like my dream room. Okay, then we have the bathroom, and the bathroom is ginormous. When you guys see the clips that I'm gonna add in of the other house, you'll see how decked out this builder really made it. So there's gonna be 2 sinks. Probably not gonna use the other sink. Maybe when I have sleepovers with my friends, they'll just use it. This is gonna be the bathroom, so the toilet is gonna be right in here. Right here, we've got the closet. This will probably be where like my towels are, medicine cabinet, all that stuff. And then this shower is so freaking nice. I'm literally obsessed with it. There's a rain head and then another faucet right here, but it's like a glass door, so I don't have to deal with my curtain falling on me when I'm showering. Currently, we have that problem at our house. It just falls, right, Mom?
Yep.
It's really annoying. And then this is my closet. There's lots of space in here. Like, it literally goes all the way back here and then all the way back here. And there's lots of like rods and shelving, like units, so it's gonna be great for organization. And that's the master bedroom. Now we'll go to the washing room. Okay, so right next to the master bedroom is this huge closet. Like, I'd probably say this is a tiny bit smaller than my master bedroom closet. And in here is probably gonna be a storage room or also
But you also have built-in shelves here. You put all your shoes and handbags.
Yes, so my handbags and my shoes will definitely be
And
going.
this will be a rod that you want to hang your long gowns.
Yes. Oh yeah, after these prom campaigns, y'all, I need a place to put these. This is gonna be my washer and dryer. There's a really loud noise in here.
It's the fan.
Just ignore that. Hopefully you can hear me. So right here is gonna be where the washer and dryer go. As you can see, the cords are right there. And then right here is a really nice like utility room that has a sink, cabinets, little spaces to put like miniature fridges if I wanted to. It's on the same level as my room, which is gonna be really easy and nice. And then back here, this is where the water heater is. Now going to the bottom floor. This is gonna be where the guest bedroom and office is gonna be. This is the 3rd floor little balcony. It's definitely the smallest out of all of them. So first room on your left is gonna be the office. And I've decided that I wanna get like a pull-out couch to put maybe a bed, just in case I have more guests that are staying over. But I'm really excited because the lighting is great in here for working. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have a desk here. It's a really nice sized room. And one thing that I really forgot to mention is I love how the paint in this house kind of is like spackly.
Textured.
Yeah, it's a textured paint. So very different from the one at our house. I feel like our house has textured walls, but not like this. and I really like the look of this. As you can see, there's a big window, lots of natural lighting in here, and the closet space is so nice. The way that they did this is incredible. Similar to my closet, there is shelving units, rods to hang things. They just really optimized the space nicely. And then almost identical to this room, but flipped, is the guest bedroom. So this is what the guest bedroom looks like. It has a window right here, but the only thing is the lighting isn't as bright and nice as the other room, hence why I wanted to make it the guest bedroom. But I have some really fun plans for this room, and if you guys keep watching the series, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Same closet idea though, got the storage, all that. I really like how it has a double door closet. I don't think I've ever had that. And then we have a little hideaway hidden thing right under the staircase.
It'd be good for your luggage and suitcases.
Yes. So I can fit in here, which is really nice because I'm tiny. But this is probably where I'll put my suitcases, luggages, all that. But there's some pipes here. And then this is gonna be the bathroom for both of those two rooms. It's a really nice sized bathroom. It's different from my bathroom in the sense that there's only one sink and there is a shower curtain, so it's not like a glass one. But I really like how they made the tub deep. We've been staying at my godparents' house during this trip, and I've noticed that the houses here in Boise have bathtubs that go like really deep, and I honestly like that a lot better. Really nice features. They do a lot of cool things with the tiling and stuff. And then here's a little, is this the bathroom?
This is the linen closet.
Oh, I was like, that's tiny. This is a little linen closet. I thought that was the toilet for a second. I was like, what do you think?
This needs to be your desk. You don't need to buy a desk. And it makes sense because when you're up here, which you'll be spending most of your time, cooking, relaxing, and then you can come do your homework and look out at the beautiful scene. So yeah.
So true. Guys, comment down what you think I should do, because I was gonna make the third floor office room that I had in mind, my office, but now that this is literally a desk right here, like what do I do with that room? Maybe I could make it like a filming room, get a cute little couch, put my YouTube plaques there, get like a chair to film videos, get a clothing rack for my clothing haul videos. Like should I make it like a filming room or like what?
Well, we can think about it.
And then like make it a guest bedroom too? I don't know.
And if you're hungry, you're right here.
I know. If I'm working right here and I'm hungry,
you can get a snack anytime.
All right, guys, we're shopping now.
It's expensive.
So I don't drink coffee. I only drink like chai, as you guys know. So my parents want to get a coffee machine for when they come to visit. So that's what she's decided. Yeah, that's a necessity.
Probably this is better.
You want to tell them where we're at?
We are at Target.
We just went to the mall, bought a bunch of stuff from Williams-Sonoma. My parents also got some stuff, so we'll do a little haul when we get home. But now we're at Target and we're getting kitchen stuff, maybe more house stuff, we'll see.
Okay, this one?
Yeah. This is what we have so far. I've got this mirror, which I'm probably gonna put in one of the hallways or the guest bedroom. Then I got this honey jar, which we already have this exact same thing at home. And then I'm getting this salt jar as well. Right now they're trying to figure out what blender I should get.
Okay, this is
this is the one we have.
That's the one.
Okay, this is the one we have. We're getting this Ninja blender for all my Arbonne shakes. So currently this is all of the stuff that I've sent to my godparents' house. They've got a huge garage, in case you guys couldn't tell. They literally have like one of the RV garages. And there's a bunch of things in here, so I'm gonna do a separate episode dedicated to just me showing the things that I've accumulated so far. But yeah, we're just gonna add to this pile. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I'm so glad y'all are here. Subscribe for the rest of the series. Going Solo Diaries is gonna be so good. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm